The day began with frustration as Eric reached for his phone charger and saw the plug was cracked. He noticed the plastic casing split open, exposing the metal prongs. Safety was his first concern, so he unplugged it immediately. Eric remembered his father always said, "Don't mess with electricity unless you know what you're doing." So he decided to fix the plug. First, he gathered the necessary tools: a replacement plug, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. In his kitchen, Eric carefully cut off the damaged plug, ensuring the wire wasn't plugged into any socket. He used the wire stripper to remove about an inch of the insulation, revealing 3 wires: green, white, and black. He twisted each wire tightly to prepare them for attachment. Next, Eric opened the replacement plug. Inside, he saw 3 terminals labeled L, N, and E. Consulting a diagram online, he attached the black wire to the L terminal, live, the white wire to N, neutral, and green to E, earth/ground. He tightened each terminal screw securely. Before reassembling, Eric checked his work again. The wires were firmly held, and there were no stray strands. He closed up the casing and screwed it shut. Finally, after wrapping the plug with electrical tape for extra safety, he plugged it into a wall outlet. The charger worked perfectly. Eric felt accomplished.